Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, because basically this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow my steps and recreate them on your own browser. So as I said, let me open the Chrome. Okay, just let me do it quickly. And all we have to do here is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Clear Browsing Data. Fortunately, in this new version of Google Chrome, we've got this option right here. We do not have to enter the history and so on. So let's tap on Clear Browsing Data. And right here, we've got, I would say, basic options. So we can remove browsing history, cookies and save data, cached images and files. And we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to even all time. And then tap on Clear Data. If you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on More Options. And as I said, here we've got basic options which were shown a second before. So they are marked. And here we've got advanced options which we can mark and remove. So in advanced, we've got saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, again, last 7 days or all time, and then tap on Clear Data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.